Prepare for the future work. Ito, pinaka-importante.
Yes.
Prepare for the future of work.
Ano na ba
So you have to embrace this flexible work arrangement. Kasi uso na yung remote work eh. Ewan ko ba dun sa ibang kumpanya, ba't pinababalik pa yung mga tao eh? Pwede naman gawin sa bahay, no? Especially yung freelancing and gig economy na tinatawag. Yung ba nga nasa, di ba, yung nasa mga beach, nagtatrabaho, pero tuloy-tuloy. Yun yung mga uso ngayon sa mga kabataan. You have to develop skills and resources to thrive in this kind of setting. Kasi lalo na ngayon, ang bilis ng pagbabago. Kasi yung alam mo ngayon bukas, hindi na. You'll be surprised kasi itong taon na to, 2023 is the year of acceptance na. You have to embrace and you have to accept change.
Yes.
If you will not accept it, it will be used against. And you have to network and build connection. This is very important, no? You have to develop this professional relationship online and offline.